to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. In today's episode, we are going to continue the Saraswati Puja special recipe. So we had already make khichuri, Bhoger Khichuri, but Bhoger Khichuri is incomplete without something, that is Niramish Aloo'R Dum. So I'm going to share the recipe with you so that you can enjoy your Bhoger Khichuri with this delicious Niramish Aloo'R Dum. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section below. Let's get started. For making Niramish Aloo'R Dum, in a kadhai or pan, I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and make sure the mustard oil is nice and hot. It needs to be smoking hot. So now it's smoking hot. You can see the smoke coming out. That means it's done. Now add potatoes. Make sure you turn down the heat when you are adding the potatoes. I have taken 5-6 small potatoes and cut them into halves, and I am going to fry them. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You can boil the potato and use it if you want, but I like this fried version much more. That is why I am doing this. So now I am going to cover them and cook them for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, flip each and every potatoes and again cover them and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes till they are caramelized or brown from all the sides. Meanwhile, we are going to make a paste. So for that making paste, I have taken 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder and half a teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix it to make a paste. We are going to use this paste later for making gravy. Keep it aside. Now I think our potatoes are done. Yes, they are nicely browned or caramelized. Remove them on a plate. Make sure you release all the excess oil. Now in the same oil, I am adding 1 bay leaf. To that I am going to add 2 whole red chilies and whole garam masala. I have taken 2 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cardamom and cloves. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Next half a teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera, and fry them for few seconds. Do it over low flame. Next half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional. If you don't like your gravy too much hot, then don't add red chili powder, and be quick while you are adding dry powder because it has a tendency to burn. Next add the masala paste we have made previously, and do the entire thing over low flame, otherwise the masala will burn. Now we are going to add 2 to 3 green chili paste and fry them for a few seconds as well. It's already smelling so good. Now add cashew nut, crushed cashew nut. I have taken 10 kaju or cashew nuts and I have grind them in mixer grinder. Now cook them till the rawness of the kaju goes away. Next I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato puree. It's optional. If you don't want to add tomato, skip it. Otherwise you can use small pieces of tomatoes, chopped tomatoes as well. Now cook them. See, the masala has started to release oil. Next I am going to add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for giving it a very nice red color, but it's also optional. Next, add salt to taste. And as it's a vegetarian or Niramish dish, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar as well. And cook them for few seconds. And the masala is done. You can see it started to release oil. That's mean it's done. Now add 1 cup of hot water and mix the masala with it nicely so that there is no lumps. Okay, it's done. Now let it come to boil. When it comes to boil, add 100 grams of blanched peas. And also I'm going to add the fried potato at this stage. So add them and I'm going to cook them over medium flame, covering them till the potato are softened. So they have softened, the potato has softened. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. It is homemade yogurt which I have nicely blended so that there is no lumps, and make sure you do it over low flame, otherwise the yogurt will curdle. Next, cover again and cook for 3-4 minutes more. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, see the gravy has thickened up. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix them as well. This looks so delicious and smells so delicious as well. Now the last ingredient, that is 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. This will enhance the taste. It will take the Niramish Aloo'R Dum to the next level. So add them and mix them. This will be the consistency of the Alur Dum or the curry. If you want more gravy, you can definitely add some more water, but for me this is the perfect consistency. So now it's ready. I'm going to remove it on a bowl, and our Niramish Aloo'R Dum is just ready to serve with hot Bhoger Khichuri. Doesn't it look so yummy? Now enjoy your Bhoger Khichuri with this Niramish Aloo'R Dum. Not only that, you can have this with some puris or luchi, garam luchi, and as well as steamed rice. So enjoy, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.